Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. I especially welcome you to this video. Are you ready to take your BTC USD scalping to the next level? If you're tired of missing out on quick price movements, then this strategy will help you execute trades with precision and confidence. In this video, I'm just going to be breaking down a powerful BTC USD scalping strategy designed to help you capitalize on Bitcoin's rapid price action. So stay tuned to the end of this video for crucial risk management tips that every trader needs to know. All right, now scalping is a trading style where traders aim to profit from short-term price movements, small price movements, by executing multiple trades within a short period. In BTC USD scalping, we target quick entries and exits to take advantage of Bitcoin's volatility. So unlike swing trading or long-term investing, scalping focuses on short bursts of price action, making it perfect for traders who thrive on fast decision making. For BTC USD scalping, the best time frames are the 1 minute and the 5-minute charts. These short time frames allow us to react quickly to price changes and execute high probability trades. Okay? So now to set up your chart, use a candlestick chart, okay? Like you can see right here. Ensure that you use a candlestick chart to analyze price movements clearly. And then the indicators that we're going to be using are the exponential moving averages and the relative strength index. So I'm going to start by adding the exponential moving average. Okay. I'm just going to use the ribbon and then set the particular ones that I want to use. Okay, we're going to be using the EMAs. One set to 9, the other set to 21. All right. Okay, so the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Okay, this helps identify trends and dynamic support and resistance levels. So use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA for quick trend identification. This is a scalping strategy. Okay, so we're going to be using these short-term moving averages for quick trend identification. Then we're also going to be adding the relative strength index to the chart, RSI. We're going to be adding the RSI to the chart. The RSI is going to help us to confirm overbought and oversold conditions. Yes, we're going to be confirming overbought and oversold conditions. So we look for pullbacks near 30, which is oversold for potential long trades, and near 70, which is overbought for short trades. And then you ensure to monitor volume spikes as well, because volume spikes helps to validate strong trade signals. Higher volume confirms stronger momentum in a given direction. So to scalp BTC USD successfully, we follow these rules for entering and exiting our trades. For your long trade setup, you wait for BTC USD to trade above the 9 EMA and 21 EMA. You wait for the price to climb above these two moving averages. For example, what we can see that happened around here. Make sure that the price climbs above the two moving averages. The RSI should be rising from the oversold territory or close to the oversold area at least. Like what happened here, it actually rose up, it came down back to this point and went back up. So the RSI needs to confirm that bullish move. The RSI needs to confirm that bullish move. And if you can confirm your volume as well, if you confirm that the volume is high around that particular zone, that is even a plus. So you can enter the price, you can enter your buy trade as the price retests and holds above the 9 EMA. You can see that we had a retest around here, right? This would have been a good place to enter your buy. If you enter your buy trade around there, right? You can set your stop loss just below the most recent swing low, and then your take profit level, you can exit as, you can exit the trade around, key resistance zones, all right? Or you can exit at a predetermined risk to reward, level, such as 1:2 or 1:3. Just ensure that you have, realistic targets. For example, your targets should be below a resistance or around the resistance zone, all right, even when trying to employ good risk to reward ratios. Okay, then for a short setup, for a sell setup, price must be below both EMAs, the 9 and the 21, to confirm the downtrend. Then your RSI should be declining from an overbought condition near 70. You must have your RSI dropping from the overbought territory. All right, increased volume confirms momentum in the bearish direction. Then you can enter as the BTCUSD price rejects and retests the 9 EMA. So you can see that around here, there was a drop below the EMAs, and then we had a retest around here. You can see that we had a retest around here, right? So you can enter your sell after you get your confirmation. Your stop loss can be above the recent swing high. In this case, wow, the high was really, really high. So we're not going to have a good risk to reward ratio. So in my opinion, you should just stay out of this trade because the risk to reward ratio is quite poor. That is 1:1. You can see it's quite poor. Had it been our recent high was probably somewhere around here, then it would have given us a good risk to reward ratio. The recommended risk to reward ratio is 1:2 minimum. So had it been that our high was somewhere here, had it been this was where our high somewhere, our recent high ended, then it would have been a good trade opportunity. Okay, then of course you should exit at a logical support level or based on risk to reward rules. Successful scalping is not just about entries, it's about managing risk. Since BTCUSD moves quickly, having a strict risk management plan is essential. Make sure you use a tight stop loss. Never risk more than 1% of your trading capital on a single trade. And then ensure that you stick to a solid reward to risk ratio or risk to reward ratio. Aim for at least 1:2, meaning that for every $10 risked, you target a $20 gain. Okay, and make sure that you avoid over trading. Scalping can be intense, so do not force trades when market conditions are not right. All right, BTC/USD scalping can be highly rewarding when executed correctly. By focusing on key indicators, using disciplined entry and exits, and managing risk properly, traders can consistently navigate Bitcoin's volatility. So if you found this strategy useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've used this scalping method before. See you in the next video.